In the world livings both wicked soul and righteous souls. Righteous soul living is real and truth. Wicked soul living is not real, not truth. Righteous soul is host livings. Wicked soul is guest livings. Host living is responsibilities, real, urgent. Wicked soul living is guest living. Guest is pay money and use supplied by host. Host living is share time with others and help others, but also to love others. Guest living is just easy livings. In the livings, always a time, a places, host and guest. Host is responsibilities, undertakes, and guest is easy livings, complaining and anger to the host. Strangely, host is preparing for just for the guests, kind and good tasteful food and the best condition of sleeping place. But guest drinkings and alcohols and complaining, just paying and without any thanks to the host. Host undertake it because host is host. In this world combining wicked soul and righteous souls. Righteous souls is sacrifice, doing real love. Wicked soul is winning, gaining, and steals, and getting much more than others. But righteous soul living is living honest, justice, truth. So that just righteous souls and wicked souls energy connection is righteous soul energy is connected to the righteous soul living destination place. Wicked soul connects to wicked soul living in destination place. Righteous soul living destination place and build and creations health, but wicked soul breakings, blood erased all the righteous souls. The wicked soul living in destination energy. Wicked soul and righteous souls balance, and the wicked soul increase then war. Wicked soul ultimate purpose is war and destroys all the world. The righteous souls increase then peace, constructions, growings. The two growings, constructions is hard, but breaking, ruins is easy. This is, I said, a huge concept, but we watch it to the micro concept. All the people living the pairs, get marriages, the man and woman, husband and wife. The both relationship is very important. Strangely, just both righteous in, righteous yang, then is completions. So, some joke. Both are very good, both are right, then it is very, very excitement. In this case, completions. Completion is end. This is not good. So most husband-wife relationships, wicked soul and righteous. combining, and all the times conflicted. Righteous soul proposes wicked soul to create righteous souls. Wicked soul proposes a righteous soul to wicked souls. It is really hard. A righteous soul, how to do wicked soul to create righteous souls? You share time with others as a host. You share time with others, help others, and doing real love of others. Doing real love of others. Even hard. Yes, I am now that situations. It is really hard times. And then now just is talking then, I got to memorize, reminded me, and now in my life cycles, coming to the olds. It is really valuable times. Wicked souls revenge me and breaking me, try to ban to return to the righteous soul limitation place. But as a righteous soul me, to real love just my pairs, to create righteous souls. This is conflicting. Righteous soul to wicked soul. It is just in the macro concept of this all natures. Who is the host? Who is the guest? Guest saying is, we're either just wrong, always. And then the sayer say that, we're I wrong? Wrong is under the 60%. No wrong. Were I wrong? No wrongs. But righteous souls, host, seeking in mind seekings, because sorrow. So only just where I just wrong is criteria. Will I better? Will I good? It's not distant. Every day, wicked souls purposes getting much more than others. And as a whole, just the powerful deceiving energy using, so that to win in the games, out of the home, just workplaces. But that is wicked soul, not truth. Deceiving. This is not relative to the realizations. If our wicked soul trying to keep just promotions, and then drinking alcohol with others every day for the purpose of promotions, then it realized, no. Wicked soul ways, it never ever being come true. To be promotions, righteous soul livings as host, to living with others, help others, and to real love others. It's based on around the kind of in the MBA course. Take hold, holders, maybe helpers. Helpers is to promote me, my helpers. Stakeholder, maybe holders. They keep, compacted holding relationship with me. Me must be go up. It is real. Every day, every night, drinking alcohols, and that is impossible. Never ever promoted. Every day, every night, just alcohol, then return to the home. In the home, the waitings come earlier because lovers. But just only for the purpose, wicked souls' sakes, or wicked souls deceive each other and they just drink alcohols at night, deep night, turning back home late. but there is any sorry. And then the wicked soul saying is, will I wrong? I said, it's not wrong. Because drinking alcohol is not wrong. Drinking alcohol is just keep rules. But a wicked soul, distant from the righteous souls in homes, host in homes, host of homes, preparing for returning to the outside workers, and drinking alcohol's coming back. And then the hostess feeling is really hard. Really hard. All on the take. Who knows that? Who knows just hostess hardness? Who knows? It maybe knows. Cosmos, righteous souls. They know it. And furthermore, the forefathers, ancestors, they watch me, how they hard. This is spiritual world, micro concepts, unseen worlds. Unseen world is all the stakeholders know me. It's really hard, host. It must be truth. And now my living is really hard. But the other family, the other husband and wife, all has a person is host, a person is guest. All the families are hosted role is really hard. Will I wrong? No wrongs. You drink alcohols. My alcohol drinking is wrong. Not wrong. But living with alcoholic guest or host living is real hard. There is in the communication breakings, and then just alcohol, just drinker behavior is tougher, roasted, just conscious. Righteous souls. It may be wicked souls, guests, based on righteous souls. If a righteous souls endures, anyhow endure sacrifice only for the purpose of a wicked souls exists to created by righteous souls. All righteous souls run to the righteous living destination place. That is all righteous souls. Righteous soul in, wicked righteous soul yang, combined to zero. That is a very condition to righteous living destination, return to righteous living destination place. So the host to endure, to real love others, help others. Others guest. I didn't know that. Just my wisdoms, knowledge, my wrote of books, but truly, now real life, it occurs. Yes, it is. If I am righteous soul, I am righteous soul, then my righteous soul is host places, hostage, all responsibilities. Guest is, there is any responsibilities. But host, living for the purpose of a guest to be created by righteous souls. This is husband and wife relationship. In the husband and wife relationships, a host and a guest, or hostess, all seeking this depths, but do not know that guest. Husband and wife, yin and yang. This is very natural. The way of righteous living ways. yin and yang harmony is basis righteous soul living's knowledges, basic principles. Yin and yang harmony, the own yin and yang harmonies, return to the righteous soul living destination place. Righteous living destination place is share time with others, help others, and doing real love others. And that place is completions. As birds created from righteous living destination or souls, voyager to macro conceived with body, and its body to the voyager to self-return to righteous living destination place without body. Holy the souls. The soul is what? What difference? Macro concepts yin and yang harmony. Yin and yang harmony combining. Husband and wife relationships. Righteous soul yin, righteous soul yang equal to zero, and then return to the zero, return to the righteous soul living destination place. Righteous soul and nothing. It is really important. But wicked soul every day revenge me, not to go to righteous living destination place. Wicked soul revenge me, not to living righteous soul living. Wicked soul is very deceit. Very deceit. Whole usings to breaking of righteous soul livings. It is real. Through all over the world of livings, a person's feeling that ways. All over the world, husband and wife. This righteous to wicked soul is adopted. How to do it? Righteous soul is host, wicked soul is guest. A righteous soul is responsibility to carry a wicked soul to righteous souls, and ultimately completion is righteous soul yin, righteous soul yang, combined to zero, and set return to the righteous soul living destination place. In the righteous soul living destination place, yin and yang harmony, you share time with other, help other, and doing the love of others. All in the righteous soul living destination place, all of the yin and yang harmony. So all both each other, try to help. You share time with others. There is any nonsense. Every righteous soul's excitement, pleasure, so high we have trying to return to the righteous soul living destination place. Thank you.